The use of 3 types of finger fixators. When the nail surface reaches this standard line, the printing results are optimal. The standard line is set to ensure the ideal distance between the print head and the nail surface, ensuring print clarity and precision. There are 3 types of finger holders: 1 flat, 2 raised, and 3 groove. These 3 finger holders are designed for people with different finger sizes. Number 1 finger holder, suitable for most finger sizes, offering general fixation and support. The nail is too far from the standard line when using this finger holder, so we don't recommend using this finger holder. Number 2 finger holder, designed for slender fingers, ensuring secure fixation and precision. The nail surface is close to the standard line when using this finger holder, so we recommend using this finger holder. Number 3 finger holder, ideal for thicker fingers, providing extra space and support. The nail is also too far from the standard line when using this finger holder, so we don't recommend using this finger holder.